𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 terrorists ordered to attack senior SP combat 𝐁𝐫𝐈𝐬, CO 5th MR Mr. 𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐵 and SP Commander 𝐻𝐫𝐶𝐞 posted at Moreh. Chief Minister N. Biren meets his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sarma, discusses security issues. And Manipur Youth League's Long March leaves Thao ground, reaches Mongsangai. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐶𝐬 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. As a special commando team of Manipur police has taken control over the Indo-Myanmar border town Moreh, where the Kukis settling at the border town and Chin Kukis from Myanmar had occupied after driving out the Meiteis since the ethnic conflict triggered by the Kukis broke out on May 3rd last year. Enraged 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 terrorists have been preparing to attack 3 senior officers of Manipur police posted at Moreh, a reliable source said. According to the source, a top 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 terrorist commander has ordered sniper teams of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Terrorist Unit 1 to Unit 7 to lay in waiting to strike 3 renowned top police officers, namely Senior SP Combat Retired Colonel Nectar Sanjanbam, Commanding Officer 5th MR 𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐵 and Special SP Commando 𝐻𝐫𝐶𝐞 using sniper rifles in the next 2 to 3 days. The Manipur police intercepted the informations when the 𝐍𝐞𝐰 commander was giving the order to snipers of 𝐍𝐞𝐰 Terrorist Unit 1 to Unit 7 through wireless set. Amidst this plan of aggressions from the 𝐍𝐞𝐰 terrorists, state force personnel and the commanders will have to be on high alert and be vigilant.
Copy.
Nectar, Balaram, KT, photo akan Udula Munam.
Come.
Sniper team, Unit 1 to Unit 7 or Sanlanga Mumunava, direction of order way. Order.
Okay, copy.
Over now.
Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren met his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sarma at the latter's official residence in Guwahati last night. Taking to his Facebook page, Chief Minister N. Biren described the meeting as a pleasurable one and informed that he and the Assam Chief Minister discussed various matters concerning the security and development of the Northeast region. The measures for the welfare of the Manipuris living in Assam were also deliberated, he said. It may be mentioned, Chief Minister N. Biren during the Manipuri Unity Convention held at Dudpatil in Assam's Kasar district on December 17th last year had assured the Manipur community that they would soon meet Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa and discuss measures to be taken up by both the state governments for the welfare of the Manipuris living in the Assam and also discuss long-term solution on the sensitive issues that can be chalked out. Manipur Youth League Mayol's long march of 21 days for national regeneration was flagged off from Thangmeiban Thao ground on the 19th day today. Mayol's long march, which was flagged off from Kangla on December 20, will conclude on January 9th at Kanchipur with a National Assembly. The march headed towards Khuyathong Road, passes through Nagamapal Road, Ima Market and stopped at Mongsangai Sun Club ground where a feast was organized. Later, the marchers will head towards Singzamai Chingamathaek Hau ground and hold a public meeting there. The Manipur Youth League Mayol has also appealed to all the people to come and join the National Assembly, which would be held on January 9th at 11 a.m. at Manipur University, Kanchipur. A press release issued by Mayol said that the main agenda of the National Assembly are critical challenges facing Meiteis at present, ways and means to overcome these challenges, national policies and programs to overcome these challenges and responsibilities of the masses to overcome these challenges. A team of Manipur Police Commando under the supervision of IGP 𝐂𝐫𝐶𝐬 has begun repair work of 𝐷𝐬𝐻𝐿 shrine at Moreh by conducting cleanliness drive in the surroundings of the shrine. People across the valley have showered praises to the Manipur police for the repair work in the strife-torn town by taking up tight security measures. It may be recalled, armed Kuki militants destroyed the sacred sign of 𝐷𝐬𝐻𝐿 located at Moreh. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic firing and congregations of protesters during the last 24 hours between January 5th and 6th. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Thoubal, Imphal East and Kangpokpi districts. During the operations, 3 local met MOR pumps, 1 CMG with magazine and 1.32 mm pistol were recovered from Kangpokpi district. The report continued that movements of 195 and 183 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2, respectively, with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 139 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 192 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report said. We'll be back after a short break.
ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔ 10, 2019 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯑꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯊ ꯂꯤꯒ ꯃꯌꯣꯜꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤ 10, 2024ꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯦ꯫ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁ ꯀꯥꯟꯆꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 12 ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯊ ꯂꯤꯒ ꯃꯌꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤ꯫
Introducing a new Meet Challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, gather the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets to grab the opportunity. We also provide a specialized classes on main topic like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Diabetes ko loina hinglibasing thamagi manungda control toba ngamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kong hamba nungaytabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Bile saibadi nungsang nabasu chamada chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagat hanba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laing jabani. Hakjang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathaw su tararoi. Hena kupa parol gidamak ngasi maklangsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. The Meitei Heritage Society MHS or the Meitei Heritage Welfare Foundation has expressed a deep concern and strong condemnation at Mizoram Chief Minister Laldu Homa, who according to media reports in a meeting with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi, said the fencing of the India-Myanmar border is unacceptable. In a press release issued yesterday, MHS also expressed alarm at Lalduhoma's reported justification that border fencing is against the dream of Mizos becoming a nation under one administration, and even called it as anti-India stain. The 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐬 insurgent groups have been fighting to make an independent country, the so-called 𝐶𝐿𝐼𝐸 or Jolan, by breaking parts of India's northeast, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Lalduhoma's statement, therefore, is a direct support to an anti-India activities aimed at breaking the territorial integrity of India, which is a serious threat to Bharat's internal and national security, MHS said. It also called the unfenced border and the free movement regime as the root causes behind the Manipur unrest. It mentioned that the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, in a May 2023 report has said that 53,500 Myanmarese migrants came to India between February 2021 and May 2023. It was also stated that a Manipur government committee led by Tribal Affairs and Hill Development Minister Latpao Haokip also found the refugees had set up their own villages and refused to stay in shelter homes built by the Manipur government. It said many of these immigrants allegedly through fraudulent means met Indian identity documents, became Indian citizens and enjoyed privilege provided by the Affirmative Action Scheduled Tribe ST policy for Indians, and maintained there is an urgent need to stop this Indian citizenship and ST privilege on arrival fraud, and that border fencing is one crucial step towards that direction. A felicitation program for achievers at national level in different fields was at Lingjil office located at 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 today. Linggen advisor Lai-Mayum Grozen, advisor Namairakpam Basanta and President 𝐿𝐿𝐷𝐿 Jayanta were the main guests at the function. Those who were felicitated include J. Ras Ningombam, aged 18, of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬, who bagged the Mr. Cosmopolitan India 2023 title and Mr. Elegant award. Yanglem Bribashil of 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬, who bagged Mr. Psychic Overall and Best Position award at Mr. India contest organized by ICM, and also bagged the second position and Best Posing award at Mr. Classic and Livestream Sally, 29 of age, of 𝐻𝐸𝐸, who won gold medal at the 29th National Thangta Championship. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Kuki terrorists ordered to attack senior SP Combat Nectar Sanjanbam, CO 5th Mr. Balram Haisnam, and SP Commando TH Krishnatombi posted at Moray. Chief Minister N. Biren meets his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sarma, discusses security issues. And Manipur Youth League's long march leaves foul ground, reaches Mosangai. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.